Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, in this video I will explain the selection rule which is used in ultraviolet and visible spectroscopy for measurement of transition, whether it is allowed or forbidden. I am Dr. Tahar Mehmood. I will explain transition by using three laws. First, depending upon the molar absorptivity. The intensity of absorption is usually expressed as molar absorptivity. If the value of molar absorptivity is greater than 10 raised to 4, that is considered as high intensity absorption, and the transition associated with this absorption is said to be allowed transition. Generally, pi to pi star transition are allowed transition. Here I have axes of the two orbitals involving this transition having their axes in the same plane. This is pi and this is pi star. So the transition of electron from this pi to this pi star is allowed transition, and its molar absorptive value is greater than 10 raised to 4. And if its value of the molar absorptivity is less than 10 raised to 3, then the transition is called forbidden transition. And n to pi star transition are forbidden transition due to lower molar absorptivity. Here there are two axes which are lie perpendicular to each other. One is n and other is pi star. The transition from n to pi star is forbidden transition. Second selection rule for transition is spin selection rule. If a transition takes place from singlet to singlet or triplet to triplet, then the transition is said to be allowed transition. And if the transition takes place from singlet to triplet or triplet to singlet, then these transitions are called forbidden transition. If the value of delta is 0, means singlet to singlet or triplet to triplet, allowed transition. Change in spin multiplicity are forbidden. Here no change in singlet to singlet or triplet to triplet then allowed. If change in spin multiplicity takes place, then they are called forbidden transition. Here we can check singlet and triplet state. This is the ground state. When the radiation fall on a molecule, then they will excite. This is excited state of singlet state molecule. Here the electron from one is in this state and other in other state. So this is plus 1 by 2 and this is minus 1 by 2. And other triplet state in which both the electron are in the same parallel state. So this is singlet and triplet state in excited form. And if their spin is 0, delta S is 0, then they are allowed transition. This can be explained by a Jablonski diagram. Here the singlet state in which internal conversion take place, but in triplet state inter-system crossing take place, then our electron will go from single state to triplet, and then energy is also absorbed, and this is triplet state and this is a singlet state. The third rule for the selection is Laporte selection rule. Laporte explained that there must be a change in the purity of the complex, and purity means the symmetry of the molecule. Electric dipole transition can occur only between two states of opposite polarity. What mean parity mean? Laporte explained that allow transition when Girard to ungirard or ungirard to Girard take place, and if it is from Girard to Girard or ungirard to ungirard, then according to Laporte it is forbidden transition. G is basically Girard compound with the center of symmetry. If the center of symmetry exists, then it is forbidden. And ungirard compound without a center of symmetry. Here symmetry is changed. If the symmetry is changed, then it is allowed transition. Otherwise, it is a forbidden transition. Here I have summarized. Note all transitions that are possible in UV region are not generally observed because different 5 type of excitation can be take place, but they are not generally observed. For an electron to transition, certain quantum mechanical constraints apply, and these constraints are called selection rule. First rule, transition which involves the change in spin quantum number. Second, singlet triplet transition are forbidden. Multiplicity of the state, where S is the total spin quantum number. Here I will explain here. For excited singlet state, S is equal to 0. Here the value of S spin quantum number is 0 because plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 are 0. Therefore 2S plus 1 will be equal to 1. If its value is 1, then it is transition allowed. And for excited triplet state, the value of S is 1. Here plus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. So it is 1. Therefore 2S plus 1 is equal to 3. Transition forbidden. Singlet state have electron spin paired, while triplet state have two spin parallel. As you see in this diagram, they are parallel and they are paired. So these 3 rules explain whether the transition is allowed or forbidden, and they are used in UV visible spectroscopy. Thank you very much.